Alright class. Today this time we're going to take a social studies test.
Excuse me, Mr. George. Can I use the bathroom?
Yes. But please be back in no more than 10 minutes. I've got a class to teach.
Yes, sir. I'm going to knock down those vending machines. Ha 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 ha. Yes. I knocked down those vending machines. Yes. I knocked down those vending machines.
Hey, what the heck did you just do?
Oh shoot.
Did you just knock down those vending machines?
Yes. I knocked down those vending machines.
That's it. I'm telling the principal about what you just did.
No. Please. Do not. I'm begging you.
Oh my God. Cerberus. How dare you knock down those vending machines? Now we have to put them back where they belong. Plus, knocking down vending machines can cause damage. That's it. You're suspended for 2 weeks. Now go home straight away.
Cerberus. We cannot believe you knocked down 2 vending machines. You know that knocking down vending machines can cause damage. That's it. You're grounded for 2 weeks.
Go upstairs straight to your room right now.
Wow.